Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. In this week's episode, I want to talk about how to display local time and handling AM and PM with JavaScript and TypeScript, because this week I came across that issue and I learned a lot from it, and I want to share it with you guys. So this week I needed to create time picker, and that time picker was in the Europe annotation from 0 to 24. But of course, when you are working in the US, for example, you need to have AM and PM. So yeah, you could, for example, very easily use two local time string where you have a locale, and in this case it's en-us, and then it will format that one to en-us, right? So here we have our hours, our minutes, our seconds, and then AM, right? If we go to other ones like the Italian one or the Argentinian one, we have other results, right? So if I just do that, you'll see here that we have AM right here. Here we have also other signs, and here we have again other different signs that I can't read. But great. Now we have support for these languages as well. Of course, if we only want to have, for example, the date, you can have two local date string, for example. Now here you have a date, right? But if you want to have everything, you can go for two local string, right? And then you have everything there. Of course, we just want to move on with time. And two local time string has options. In this regard, we have and that's also what I wanted. I wanted to have numeric. And here also I want to have only the hours displayed. So I can very easily do that with this one, right? If I now execute it, you will see here that I have 12 AM 00, and here I have also strange signal for Argentina, right? So instead of numeric, I can do 2-digit. It's still the same, right? So I can also say, hey, I don't want to have 12 hours, so I put that to false, right? Now we have 24 and not 12 AM, right? I'm very curious if I just say hour 12 true to the Italian one. So now I have AM and PM. So you need to know that you can override it. If you really want to have AM and PM and not from 0 to 24, then you can do it like that. But otherwise, that decision will be made by the locale itself and not by setting some options there, right? So you can very easily go fallback. For example, here we have Locale Belinesia. If that's not recognized by the browser, or we don't have a locale time string for that, we can fall back to Indonesia, right? So that's also something that you could do, and in this case, yeah, it's just going to work, right? So here he falls back to the annotation of an hour, a minute, and a second for Indonesia. So you can do very great and cool things for your web application to transform it to a very nice looking date time string or time string or whatsoever. In my case, I really needed to have this one, the hour, because I only needed the hour and AM or PM, or just 0 to 24, and the browser did the magic for me. Right. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. I hope you can use that into your day-to-day job. Thank you very much for listening to this episode and this video, and see you next time.